Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss a solution of the questions of Combined Geo-Scientist Examination 2026 Chemistry. Paper number 2nd. There are the three paper, part 1, part 2 and part 3. And in this paper 2nd, all questions are the objective type, subjective types of questions, and we will solve accordingly. Okay, so now start the solution of the one question, the subjective type questions. And question, what is the question? Question start, calculate the energy in joules of rotational level. Okay, with J is equal to 1 of the rigid hydrogen molecule. And in this question, given value is the RH2 is equal to 74.1 pm, and relative mass of hydrogen is 1.0080 am. This question is the 10 marks, and according to our marking, we will try to solve it. Okay. To calculate the energy in joules of rotational level. This question is related to the any type of the spectroscopy rotational energy level. Now try to solve it. For that, first we will write the formula. Rotation energy level formula. Rotational energy level. For calculation of this, first we will write formula represented by EJ. Okay, EJ is equal to B. J is the magnetic field and J plus 1, where B is equal to h square Planck constant 8 pi square I. Okay. Now put the value in this formula. We can calculate value of I, that is the mu r square, where again we will write what is the mu. Mu is the momentum m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, for calculation of hydrogen, value of the mu is equal to dipole moment is equal to m h upon hydrogen. What is the hydrogen? The mass of the hydrogen is 2, and convert this mass to kilograms. That is we will get 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg per AMU. Okay. Now calculate the value of R. R, that is the internuclear distance in the meters, that is 74.1 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So there are the two values of the, we have got mass and value of R with the help of the formula. So relative mass of the hydrogen is given in this question, and use of this mass and you can calculate easily value of the energy in joules of the rotational level with J is equal to 1. Okay.